Hi, today I want to make KAVEH suitcase from GENSHIN IMPACT, and this can be open and closed so you can put your stuff inside the suitcase just like this. So yeah, without further ado, let's go to the tutorial. First, you have to print all the templates in A4 size. I put the link of the templates in the description. Now cut all the templates according to the pattern until everything separates like this. Now take this part. As you can see, there is a letter guide like A to A, B to B, so you can connect them together using tape like this. Don't forget to do it to all of them. After that, you can copy the pattern to plywood into something like this. By the way, for the material, sizes, and all explanations are listed in the template. Now take this part and we have to glue it like this. I'm using this wood glue. Just apply to the side of the plywood and stick them together until it looks like this. Don't forget to glue the back part as well until it looks like this. For the front part, you can use small hinge like this. And to lock the suitcase, you can use door holder so you can open and close the suitcase. Now you can cover every side with foam like this. And don't forget to draw the detailed lines. You can cut all the details top, bottom, left and right side, and back and front side. Then glue them to the suitcase into something like this. Now take your pen cutter, then score all the detailed lines that we made before. After that, use heat gun to open up all those lines until it looks like this. Now the last step is coloring. I cover everything with gold spray paint like this. And for the details, I use this acrylic paint. I'm not good at coloring, so yeah, you can choose what color you want. And now for the last details, I use white acrylic paint. And yeah, this is the final result. That's how I made KAVEH suitcase from GENSHIN IMPACT. Link of the templates in the description. You can follow my social media because I do give away a lot. Don't forget to like, comment, share, subscribe, and yeah, that's it. Bye.